My name is Alexey Strelnitsky. I'm from Russia and I graduated from the SMIB program in 2018. And I currently work at Wavestone as a consultant in digital transformation. While choosing the program, for me it was crucial that the program was to be very intense and very practical. So I didn't want it to be like too theoretical. I wanted to get very practical experiences with case studies, and that was the proposition of SMIB. So this is a program which is quite short, and at the same time you discover different business areas. So for me it was very, very suiting to my expectations. For me, the SMIB was real discovery because it allowed me to already know more about the consulting area, to meet different companies, for example, during the career fair, and to discover and to get hands-on real consulting experiences, for example, during my work at Stratengo Consulting, the association where we helped different NGOs work on their projects. And also that was a great opportunity to meet people from all around the world with very different cultures. It's made me keep my mind more open to discover some new business areas that I was not aware of. So in this sense, SMIB for me was a real discovery. For the great takeaways from the SMIB, I would say that first of all, it's the networking. It's the opportunity to meet different people with different backgrounds, to exchange, and until now we keep in contact. We keep updating each other about our career choices, our career pursuits. And also what I really appreciated in terms of events, for example, was Digital Week competition, because we were able to work on a real case from a real company during 1 week, which was very intense. But at the same time, we got some hands-on experience. And now in my consulting work, I realized that the challenges I have to face every day are quite close to the ones that we faced during the Digital Week competition. If I had to give an advice to current students or to future candidates, I would say that you don't need to be afraid to challenge your career choices, because maybe that's your dream job or your dream company is the one that you haven't discovered yet. So it's waiting for you to discover. So don't really hesitate to go there, to meet other companies, to network, because this is how you really can understand what you like and also what you don't like. So really keep your mind open and challenge yourself. And if I had to summarize my SMIB experiences in just 3 words, I would say that it was quite hands-on and practical, also very diverse and very useful.